very good morning to all of you. Welcome to the new session academic. Welcome to the new academic session 2020 to 2021. I am the English teacher. I I am the English teacher of class 2 from Islamia Youth Service School. Before starting our class, first I will give you some instructions, so kindly follow it. If there is any disconnectivity during the teaching, try to join again within 5 to 10 minutes. Don't raise hand during teaching. Ask question at the end of the teaching. Use hand-free if you are using mobile and headphone for computer use. Take care of time for attending the class. Okay, class? So, today's objectives are, the class, what we learned today? Students should be able to learn how to read a text. Okay, you have to know how to read a text. You have to learn how to read a text. Should be able to know the correct pronunciation of different words. Students should be able to know the meaning of different words. Okay, the new vocabulary relating to the content. Okay, students should be able to the new vocabulary related to the content. Okay, class, now this is your active English course book. I hope all you have this book. Okay, this is your English course book of class 2. Okay, before you read, okay class, many animals live in the sea. Okay, have you ever seen many animals, many sea animals? Can you name a few sea animals? I think sometimes you see the fishes in the fishes in the sea. Okay, and turtles and crabs. Okay, okay, how are they different from animals that live on land? Can you tell me how are they different? Means how sea animals are different from the animals that live on the land? They're different because they can't swim in the water. Okay, sea animal can swim in the water. Okay, they have fins, they have paddles. Okay, or also they have the gills. With the help, they can breathe in the inside the water. Okay, but the animals that live on the land don't have gills, can't swim in the water. Okay, they can freely move in the water. Okay, there are many sea animals like fishes, like whales, like dolphin, like sea snails, starfish, octopus, seals, shark, okay, eels. There are so many animals. So class, today we will learn. Today we are going to see the sea animals. Today we are going to I'm going to teaching that unit sea animal. Okay, you will learn about the knowledge about sea animals. Okay, class. There are sea animals, so much sea animals. Can you name this? There is shark. This is shark. Okay, there. This is dolphin fish. Do you see? Do you see ever this fish? Did you ever see this the dolphin show? Okay, this is turtle. Okay, and this is flatfish. This is shark, and this is jellyfish, and this is starfish, and this is dolphin, seahorse, crabs. There are so much animals that live on the sea. This is starfish. Okay, this is octopus. This is flatfish and catfish. Now move to our chapter. Now this is your first unit. The name of the first unit is sea animals. Okay, sea animal. There are so much animals that live in the sea, and you have seen the animals that of the sea animals in the previous slide. Okay, now I'm going to read this poem, and after that I will explain to you this poem. Okay, open your book, unit number 1, sea animals, and read with me. What do you see in the sea? Okay, class, read with me. What do you see in the sea? Animals moving free. Animals moving free. Snails and whales. Snails and whales using their tails. Snails and whales using their tails. Seals and eels looking for meals. Snails and seals and eels looking for meals. Catfish, flatfish, catfish, flatfish, chasing fatfish. Catfish, flatfish, chasing fatfish. What do you see in the sea? Animals moving free. What do you see in the sea? Animals moving free. Now I will explain to you about this poem. Okay. Okay, what do you see in the sea? Whenever you go seaside, can you see? However, you see the animals that live in the sea. Can you see crabs? Can you see crabs? Can you do you see dolphinfish, dolphin fish, and shark fish? Okay, okay. What do you see in the sea? Animals moving, and you see the animals are moving freely inside the sea. Okay, snails and whales. Snails and whales. What are they doing in the sea? Snails and whales using their tail. They are moving freely inside the sea. They are swimming in the sea. Seals and eels. Okay, seals and eels. Seals and eels are looking for meals. What are they doing? Seals and eels are looking for meals. Okay, catfish and flatfish chasing fatfish. What are they doing? What are the catfish and flatfish are doing inside the water? They are chasing fatfish. They are going to catch the fatfish to eat for the purpose of food. Okay. What do you see in the sea? Animals moving free. Okay. What do you see in the sea? Inside the sea, animals are moving freely. Animals are swimming inside the water. Okay. Now, now there is some sea animals, and I will give you some information about these animals. Okay. Snails. Have you ever seen these animals? Snails. Snails have very soft body. Okay, they live inside the water, and also they can live on the land. Okay, they have the back, rounded back. They have very hard shell. By through this shell they can protect themselves. Okay, they can hide inside the when enemy attack on it. They can hide themselves inside the shells. Okay, now this is, can you name these animals? This is whale. This is whale fish. Okay, this is a very largest animals in the, this is the largest animal in the sea or the land. Okay, whales can live surface of the sea. Okay, whales have blowholes. Okay, whales have blowholes. Can you see these holes? Can you see this part? Whales have blowholes on the head, okay, by which they can breathe inside the water. Okay, through this hole, whales can breathe inside the water. They have very large mouth, very large head and wide mouth. Okay, can you see this mouth? It has very large mouth. Okay, move to next animal. This is seal. This is seal. Okay, seals are the animals that eat other animals, that eat other fishes. So these are carnivorous animals, the animals that live that can eat the other animal, that can eat the other fishes, other small fishes, that called carnivores. Carnivorous animals. Okay, the seals are carnivores in nature. Okay. Okay, seagulls have four flippers. Can you see this? They have four flippers. Two flippers are foresight and two flippers are height and behind the body. Okay, they have four flippers. By the help of these flippers, they can swim inside the water. Okay, next is eel. Do you know this eel? What is this animal? This is eel. Okay, the eels have very narrow, long body. Okay, can you see this animal? Eels have very long and narrow body. It has very wide mouth. Can you see? Can you see his mouth? It has very large mouth. Okay, and these animals are also carnivores in nature. These animals, this eel is also carnivores in nature. What is the carnivorous animals? Carnivorous animals are those animals that can eat the small fishes, the other animals, okay, for the purpose of food. And the eel has very sharp teeth. It has very wide mouth and very sharp teeth. By the help of these teeth, they can eat the small animals, small fishes. Okay, they can eat shrimps, snails, and fishes and worms also. Okay, okay, seals. But seals can breathe through the gills. They have breathe through the help of these gills. They can breathe inside the water. Okay, seals have two types. Seals have two types. The one is you can see in this picture, okay, and the other one is electric eels. Okay, they have two types. The one you can see this eel, other one is the electric eels. Electric eels can pass out electric current. Okay, electric eels can pass out electric current. Okay, the next animal is catfish. This is catfish. This is like the catfish. Okay, it has whiskers like the cat and dogs. Can you see these whiskers? It has whiskers. Okay, it can okay, it can eat the insect, fishes, carnivores. They can eat, catfish eat insect, fishes. Okay, so they are carnivores in nature. Okay, catfishes are carnivores in nature. Okay, and this is flatfish. Okay, this is flatfish, and their body is also in flat shape. Okay, okay, flatfish is also carnivores in nature. They can eat fishes, small fish, shrimps, and palms. Okay, flatfish like you can see this picture. You can see this fish in this picture. It has very flat and broad body. Okay, now this is fat fish. Okay, this is fat fish. It has very fatty body. It has very fatty body. Okay, now this is also carnivores in nature. They can also eat small animals, small fishes living in the sea. Now, now this is your okay. Have you understand about all these animals? Okay, these all animals are sea animals. Okay, these all animals are sea animals. Okay, now I will show you some exercise about this unit, and you have to answer me. Circle the correct answer. Okay, what do you see here in the sea? What do you see here in the sea? Can you answer me? Do you know the answer of this question? What do you see in the sea? Whenever you go in the sea, what do you see? Or here? Can you see here? No. You can see. You can see many animals. You can see the water. You can see the weather, cloud. Okay, when you go to the sea. Okay, now the next question is snails. Snails and whales using their fins or tails. Which one is the correct answer? Fins. Snails and whales are using their fins? No. Snails or whales are using their tails. I will explain you, and you have seen the poem, and the correct answer is tails. So snails and whales are using their tails. Okay, next one is seals and eels looking for meals or animals. Seals and eels are looking for animals or meals. Which one is the correct answer? Seals and eels are looking for meals? No. Have you read the poem? Seals and eels are looking for animals. Yes, animals is the correct. So sorry, meals. Meals is the correct answer. Okay. Catfish and flatfish are racing fat fish. Catfish and flatfish are doing the racing in the sea. No, catfish and flatfish are chasing the fat fish. Why they are chasing the fat fish? Because they are they want to catch the fat fish to eat. They want to eat the fat fish for the purpose of food. Okay? Because catfish and flatfish are carnivores in nature. That's why they are chasing the fat fish to eat the fat fish. Okay? Okay, the correct answer is chasing. Catfish and flatfish are chasing fatfish. You have to solve this exercise in your English course book. Okay, what do you see or hear in the sea? In the sea, what do you see in the sea? Okay, snails and whales using their fins or tails. Snails and whales are using their tails. Seals and eels looking for meals. Seals and eels are looking for meals or animals. They are looking for meals. The catfish and flatfish are chasing or racing fatfish. They are chasing the fatfish. Okay, you have to sort, you have to do this exercise in your English course book. Okay, now moving towards new words. These are the words that you have learned, that you have read in the poem. Okay, eels. The first word is eels. Eels is a sea animals. Okay, eels are the animals that are living in the water. Okay, chasing is the new word. Read with me these new words so you can pronounce correctly these words. Chasing, eels, and flatfish. Sea, looking for. Seals, fatfish. Read with me again. Eels. What is? Eels. Chasing. Meals. Flatfish. Free. Looking for. Seals. And fat fish. Now, these are some words meaning that you have to do in your English copy. Okay, see. The first word is see, and the meaning of see is look. To look any other thing, anything to look. Okay. The next is looking for. Looking for means search for. Search the thing. When you lost something, you are searching the pencil. Okay. You are searching. You are looking for the pencil to write in your copy. Okay. Next is meal. Meal. Okay, the meaning of meal is food like anything you can eat, food, biscuits. Okay, food, fruits, vegetables, anything you can do so you can eat, that is food. Free, not free in position. Free means not free in position, not fixed in position. Okay, they are moving freely. So like sea animals are moving freely inside the water. Tail and part of animals. Okay, tail is a and part of the animals. Moving. Moving means in motion. Moving means you are moving in motion. You are moving. Okay, you are not fixed in a position. You are moving in motion. Okay, the next is chasing. Chasing means following, or hunting. Okay, chasing means to go for hunting, to go for catching. Okay, to eat the animals. Okay, chasing means following or hunting. Please take the screenshot of this slide so you can do your work in your copy. Okay, I'm showing you the newer slide again, so you can take screenshots and so you can do your work in your copy. Okay, this is new. This is words meaning. Okay, now these are the word sentences. Okay, there are some words that you have to make the sentences of these words. Okay, first word is see. See. The sentence of see is I go to seaside. The sentence of see is I go to seaside. The next word is free. And sea animals are free to move. Sea animals are moving free, okay, inside the water. So the sentence is sea animals are free to move. The next word is tail. Tail means squirrel has a bushy tails. Okay, the sentence of tail is squirrel has a bushy tails. Okay, every animals have tail, so squirrel has very bushy tails. Okay, brush like tail. Okay, meals. We should have proper meals. We should have proper meals. Okay, see. We see with our eyes. See, the sentence of see is we see. We can see with our eyes anything. You can see the world. Okay, animals. Animals live in the forest. Animals live in the forest. Okay, looking for. Looking for. The sentence of looking for is she is looking for her lost pen. Okay, looking for means to search, to hunt, to search. Okay, she was looking for her lost pen. Okay, the next word is chasing. Dog is chasing the cat. Dog is chasing the cat. Okay, now there are some question answers about this poem. Okay, the first question is what are snails and whales doing? Okay, the first question is what are snails and whales doing? What are they doing? Can you answer me? Do you know what are the snails and whales doing in the water? Snails and whales are using their tails. Okay, snails and whales are using their tails. Snails and whales are sea animals, are the types of sea animals. The snails and whales are using their tails. They are swimming inside the water. Okay, the next question is what are the seals and eels doing? What are they doing? Seals and eels, what are they doing? They are looking for meals. Seals and eels are looking for meals. Okay. Okay, the next question is what are the catfish and flatfish doing? What are the catfish and flatfish doing? The catfish and flatfish are chasing catfish. Okay, what are they doing? The catfish and flatfish are chasing catfish. Okay, please take the screenshot so you can do your work in your copy. Okay, our next question is what does the poem describe? What does the poem describe? Poem is about land animal or flying animals? No, the poem is about sea animals. The poem describes about sea animals, the animals that are living inside the water that called sea animals. What do you see in the sea? What do you see in the sea? What do you see in the sea? When you go seaside, we see animals moving free in the sea. We see animals moving free in the sea. Now, this is your home task, homework. Write new words in your English copy. Write words meaning in your English copy. Write question answers and word sentences in your English fair copy. This is your home task. Okay. Now your interface sheet. What do you do in interface sheet? You have to write student's name, but means you have to write your name, your father's name, class, section, roll number, okay, subject teacher's name, and class teacher name. Okay, you have to maintain your first page interface sheet. You have to write this all the things in your first page. Okay, now you have to make the first term title page. You have to write May, October 2021 and 2022. Now, syllabus for first term. This is your syllabus for first term. Form 1, Sea Animals. Form Unit 2, A Night Walk. Unit 5, The Picnic. And Unit 6 is Tiny Turtle Wants a Friend. This is your syllabus for first term. Okay, in the third page, you have to make the syllabus. You have to write the syllabus for first term. Next, the title page. Okay, after that, we have to make the title page of unit number 1, Sea Animals. Okay, unit number 1, Sea Animals. Starting date and ending date. You have to write a starting date and ending date. Now, this is your outline. In your outline, you have to write new words, word meanings, question answers, word sentences, vocabulary, grammar, spelling, writing, essay, sea animals, and letter writing. Now,